Samsung just redesigned Good Lock, and that's probably the best update ever for Good Lock. And yes, just days after we got the Home app that is now just bringing things to yet another level. And yeah, none of this actually made it to the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, which is just a shame, but nevertheless. Let's scrap this and let's just see what the new Good Lock looks like. So this is the latest Good Lock update. The version is 3.0.10. Refreshed user interface design for a more intuitive experience, more detailed categories for better organization of Good Lock apps, view each app's update history, and make your favorite apps for quick access, get and reset all app settings, added a new widget and quick launch features. Guys, enough is enough, let me start it. This thing here, I mean the starting animation and then boom, like Good Lock never looked like this. It really looks like a full suite of tools, and Good Lock is just the manager for all these nice and fancy plugins that we love so much, like Theme Park and Wonderland and Keys Cafe. And that, now guys, I mean when you go and click Makeup, you're gonna see this is actually a filter. So now let's say if I want to change something on my phone, just visually I can use Theme Park or Fantastic or create with Wonderland some wallpapers. But what about Life App? Life App is going to filter the models that can help me with day-to-day real-life activities like Nice Shot and Notice Star and Edge Touch and One in Operation, the Routines plus the Multi-Star. Camera Assistant, by the way, yep, it is available, guys. It is available for the S25 Ultra. Registar Sound Assistant. What about Clock? If you just click Clock, you are directly guided to the Good Lock module quick start that can help you redesign your quick panel UI. And then guys, there is extensions. Some of this is a bit repetitive. Anyway, then there is gestures. Again, it is repetitive, but you see the idea. And home screen, hopefully here guys, you should be able to see Home app. Now, I'm not able to access the latest Home app with Good Lock, only with Find Lock. Still, hopefully very soon it's going to be available here. Keyboard, then we have lock screen, and then we have multi-window, we have notifications, then we have settings, we have touch, we have wallpaper. I think they really outdid themselves. When you click here, we have the standard Good Lock credit. So credit to Sally and Youngman Park and Gazwa and all the other guys. I just hope that I'm reading the names correctly. When you click here, you're going to get widgets. We have the Good Lock mini widgets. All right, so let's add this mini widget. That's a shortcut that shows all the inside Good Lock apps at once. Add it to your home screen now to quickly launch your favorite app. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to add it, and let's just see what is going to happen. So this thing here is now my Good Lock mini widgets, and you can see it's a nice icon with the Good Lock icon on top. And when I click it, guys, boom, all my Good Lock modules that are installed. I mean, how cool is that? Right? It's not again something like groundbreaking and yeah, like life-changing experience, but it's good. And then we have the retro style Good Lock widget. It's a widget inspired by nostalgic cassette tapes. You can add it up. All right, so let's just add that one here. So it's just 40 by 2. So I'm gonna click add and it's there. And oh, you can see this nice animation now. Okay, now you understand why it's called like this. What about this widget, guys? When I go inside the settings, right, don't have favorite apps yet. Yeah, you can just choose some favorite apps. So let's say that I want to choose Theme Park and Fantastic and Camera Assistant, and let's do the Sound Assistant. Oh, all right. How cool is that? I mean, yeah, you see, Samsung is really trying hard, guys, and this could have been really like the cherry on the top for the Unpacked event, but they decided, yes, not worth mentioning it, probably was not ready. Then you have some wallpapers, guys. We have Good Lock wallpapers, and I think it's the first time, you know, we get something like this. So why not use that? So let's just try to see. Oh, you know, yeah, I like my Good Lock wallpaper. It's not that bad. So we have this one here and Theme Park and Notice Star and Dropship. Now you can see that those are all the plugins, but when I click here, I have again an option to choose favorite apps, and this is something that I kind of like. Now, see here, guys, settings in effect. I have Home app, right? I cannot start it with the Good Lock Manager yet. When I click to disable all, disable the applied Good Lock settings. So again, this is something new, didn't exist before, and I think it's kind of cool. I was also able to see some new things like drop to ship and, you know, like export settings. It's not available right now, but nevertheless, I really hope that very soon everybody on the planet Earth should be able to download Good Lock and enjoy, because Good Lock is one of the things that sets One UI, that separates One UI from the group and makes Samsung devices so customizable. Why not also unique? And if you like this video, just go and watch some of the previous. Thank you so much. Wiesti over. Bye.